The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County, northern DuPage County, central Kane County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Auburn, or 8 miles west of Geneva, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Geneva, St. Charles, DuPage Airport, West Chicago, Elgin, Carroll Stream, Roselle, Hoffman Estates, Schaumburg, Addison, Wayne, Bartlett, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Medina, South Elgin, Glendale Heights, Bloomingdale, and South Barrington. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 o'clock p.m. Monday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.
Your mom is? Okay, bye.
The National